Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am taking maths of class 7th lesson number 5 power and exponents exercise number 5.1 part 3. So in earlier part we have completed the sum questions of this exercise and now in this third part I am going to take the remaining questions of this exercise number 5.1. Question number 6. Identify the greater number. Here we have to identify the greater number. So A 6 raised to the power 7 or 7 raised to the power 6. So which number is greater here we have to identify, but it is given in the exponential form. So first we will convert this exponential form in a number and then we will find out which number is greater. So here the solution 6 raised to the power 7 equals to 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, which is equals to 2,79,936. So here we have to compare these two numbers and we have to identify which one is greater. So 6 raised to the power 7 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. It means we will multiply this 6 with itself 6 times, and when we multiply 6 times with itself we will get a number that is 2,79,936. Now we will find out the number for 7 raised to the power 6. That is 7 raised to the power 6 equals to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, which is equals to 1,17,649. So now we got the two numbers. So now which number is greater? So here 2,79,936 is greater number. Since 2,79,936 is greater than 1,17,649, therefore 6 raised to the power 7 is greater than 7 raised to the power 6. So this is how we have to identify a greater number. Then question number 7, simplify. A 5 into 10 raised to the power 2. So we have to simplify this number. So we will write this number as solution 5 into 10 raised to the power 2 equals to 5 into 100 into 100. So here the question is given 5 into 100 raised to the power 2. So 100 raised to the power 2 is given. It means we will multiply this 100 with itself 2 times. So we can write this expression as 5 into 100 into 100. Now simplify it. 5 into 100 will be 500 and then into 100. So first multiply these two numbers. We got 5 into 100 as 500. Now we will multiply 500 with 100. So we will get 50,000. So this is how we have to simplify a given expression. Then B 3 raised to the power 3 into 4 raised to the power 4. So we have to simplify it. So solution we can write it as 3 raised to the power 3 into 4 raised to the power 5, which is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So here the number is given 3 raised to the power 3. So we will write this 3 times in the form of multiplication. It means we will multiply this 3 itself with 3 times. Then after that given into 4 raised to the power 5. It means we will multiply this 4 itself 5 times. So that's why we have written here 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now we are going to simplify it. 3 into 3 is 9 into 3 into 4 into 4 is 16, and again 4 into 4 is 16 into 4. So what we did here, I have multiplied these two numbers, that is 3 into 3. We got here 9. Then 3 we will write as it is. Then 4 into 4 is 16. Then again 4 into 4 is 16 into 4. So now again we will multiply this 9 into 3 and then 16 into 16. So that is 9 into 3 is 27 into 256 into 4. So 16 into 16 is 256, and 4 we have written as it is. Now again we will perform the multiplication, so that is 27 into 1024. So how we got here 1024? I multiplied 256 with 4, so here we got 1024. Now multiply 27 with 1024, so we will get here 24,576. So this is how we have to simplify a given number, and we have to find out the value. So given number means we have to simplify this exponential form, and we will get after simplifying the number. You can simplify this number in a sequence also, like you can simplify first, or you can multiply first 3 into 3, you will get 9, then you can write the remaining numbers as it is, then whatever you get here, that is 9 you can again multiply with 3, remaining as it is. So here in the sequence also you can multiply. So then next question number 8, simplify. A minus 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 10 raised to the power 3 into minus 20 raised to the power 4. So here the negative numbers are given with the exponents. So here we have to simplify this number as we have simplified the earlier question, that is question number 7. But the difference is that here negative base is given. So solution: minus 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 10 raised to the power 3 into minus 20 raised to the power 4 is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 20 into minus 20 into minus 20 into minus 20. So what is given here? The power for minus 2 is given 2. So we will multiply this minus 2 itself 2 times, and here the power form is given, that is minus 10 is the base and exponent is given 3. So we will multiply this minus 10 3 times with itself, and minus 20 we will multiply 4 times with itself as the exponent is given 4. And I told you in the first part that when the exponent is even, then the result of the multiplication of the base will be positive, and if the exponent is odd, then the multiplication of the base will be negative. Okay, so here we are going to simplify it. So we will get 4 into minus 1000 into 1,60,000. So how? Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4, then minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 will be minus 1000, then into minus 20 into minus 20 into minus 20 into minus 20, that equals to 1,60,000. And as I told you, the exponent for this minus 2 is given even, so that's why we have written here result as positive 4. And here also the exponent for minus 20 is given 4, which is even, that's why we have written the result as a positive number. But here minus 10 and minus 10 we have to multiply, and the power, that is the exponent for it, is given odd, so that's why we have written the result in the negative form. Again I am going to explain you, listen it carefully. That is, when we multiply minus with minus, we will get plus, that's why plus 4. Then here minus into minus is minus, and minus into minus into minus is plus, and then plus into minus will be minus, that's why we got here minus 1000. And here minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and then again minus into minus will be plus, that's why we have written here plus 1,60,000. Now again we are going to simplify it, that is 4 into minus 16 crore. So here we have multiplied this 1000 minus 1000 with 1,60,000, and here we got minus 16 crore, as minus into plus will be minus. Now we are going to multiply it with 4. So we will get here minus 64 crore. So this is how we have to simplify a given number. Then question number 9, compare the following numbers. Now we have to do the comparison in the given numbers. So question number A, it is given 4.2 into 10 raised to the power 5 and 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 7. So here two numbers are given, it means two expressions are given. We have to compare this expression. So for comparing this expression, first we have to solve it. So first we will simplify 4.2 into 10 raised to the power 5. So that is the solution. 4.2 into 10 raised to the power 5 can be written as 4.2 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So here 4.2, for this any exponent is not given, so we will write 4.2 as it is, and into 5 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 5. It means this 10 we have to multiply itself 5 times. So that's why we have written here 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is equals to 4.2 into 1 lakh. So here 4.2 into 1 lakh. Now we are going to multiply 4.2 into 1 lakh. So that is 4,20,000.2. So 4,20,000.2 can be written as 4,20,000 also. So this is how we got the number when we simplified the first expression. Now we are going to simplify the second expression, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 7, which is equals to 2.5 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So here for 2.5 an exponent is not given, so we will write 2.5 as it is, and into 10 raised to the power 7 is given. It means we will multiply this 10 itself 7 times. So that's why I have written this 10 in the form of multiplication 7 times. Now we are going to simplify it. So that equals to 2.5 into 1 crore. Now 1 crore we will multiply with 2.5. So here we will get 2 crore 50 lakh. So 0.5, so we can write it as 2 crore 50 lakh. So now we have to compare which one is greater. So observe here which number is greater. So here 2 crore 50 lakh is greater than 4,20,000. So here we will write, since 4,20,000 is less than 2 crore 50,000, therefore 4.2 into 10 raised to the power 5 is less than 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 7. Then B, 2.2 raised to the power 2 into 1.0 raised to the power 2 and 3.1 raised to the power 2 into 1.1 raised to the power 3. So here we have to do the comparison between these two numbers, and these two numbers which are the expressions are given in the form of decimal. So after simplifying we will find out which number is greater. So the solution, 2.2 raised to the power 2 into 1.0 raised to the power 2 is equals to 2.2 into 2.2 into 1.0 into 1.0. So as the exponent is given for both is 2, so we will multiply this 2.2 itself 2 times and 1.0 itself 2 times. So that is 2.2 into 2.2 into 1.1 into 1.1. So now we are going to multiply it. So that is 4.84 into 1. So when we multiply 2.2 with 2.2 we will get 4.84, and 1.0 can be written as 1 only, and 1 into 1 will be 1, so which is equals to 4.84. so this is the value we got for the first expression. Now we are going to simplify the second, so that is 3.1 raised to the power 2 into 1.1 raised to the power 3 equals to 3.1 into 3.1 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1, which is equals to 9.61 into 1.331. So when we multiply 3.1 with 3.1, we will get 9.61 into, when we multiply 1.1 with itself 3 times, we will get 1.311. Now again we are going to multiply these two numbers, so we will get 12.7909. Now we have to compare which number is greater. So in decimal lesson I taught you how to compare the two decimal numbers. Yes, so you know how to compare the decimal numbers. So here we will do the comparison between these two numbers. So since 4.84 is less than 12.7909, therefore 2.2 raised to the power 2 into 1.0 raised to the power 2 is less than 3.1 raised to the power 2 into 1.1 raised to the power 3. So this is how we have to do the comparison between the decimal numbers which are given in the exponential form. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the all questions are understood by you. So please do like, subscribe and share to my channel if you like my teaching. Thank you so much.